oil.
Yeah, Craig's going. And you got like a thingy on this, like a light.
So I can use that now. That will go. Oh, it's gone. Right, record.
It's recording.
And the three kings tried to find Jesus.
That is burning. That is proper burning. It drips out.
Could you hear that?
It what? Yeah?
Let's have a go.
Yeah, I'm having a go next. Oh look, it's set right to the floor. Look at that.
Put it out.
Mini little fire.
Fucking hell.
It's all set.
There's nothing we can do.
Oh,
Okay, put it out. Oh my god, it's only started. I'll put it here.
look, you always dropped it on that lighter fluid. Oh, let me have a play.
Sounds like it's fucking Star Wars, GD. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is great, take it.
The others.
Pass it to James, Greg.
Oh.
Can you see this, viewers? Oh my god! Ah, run away from Michael! He's gonna kill us all!
Wait, take it. Quick, what it? Just carry it over here, not near that wood, so that catches it. Dude.
And Craig gets handed over the Olympic torch.
Freak out about it.
God.
Step back.
Craig, please.
Craig, something actually set up so it goes over my neck. Get it back. Take that shot.
Craig, batter up! Swing away, Craig.
Oh, Craig, put it
Oh no, it's gone crazy, it's gone crazy! No, he's missed it! He missed the pin! Michael rescues the situation! That's what public services does for you.
Fireman shot.
Did it go in or did it fall off?
Risk avoided. You bastard. Right, we gotta do that again.
No.
That was so quality.
That light does nothing to it.
Just stop it.
No, keep going.
Yeah, but we're not doing anything at the moment. Wait till we come up with another idea, then record it.
You don't want to burn this stick either. Let's set this stick all down.